Nhất xa sự hở chính em mà đem cái chính nhập.
Hả nghe, lại phim ngay xe.
Bác có bài bên em nghe. Nãy thì bro chính em nhìn hấp xin nhau cái tay pop. Bác cầm bà bà chung
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat pinjasliang Omrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Congress klapun kre banyak khun habro ki arp kundai ligisit hak election shaka Garu Hills Autonomous District Council keban Elekshon pada kaliang jo noi lam kesing Congress ba Vincent H Pala lepin menab ke Congress kanometri lang satya ba kanu ke parti hak election ulai thu bahar menta ke Congress kaliyo priang ndu punyo league application na ki bure ke pan ticket na ka parti banyak khun ya ke election.
We just had a meeting organizing for the GHDC election. I think all the formalities, candidates and all, we've already prepared for it, and hopefully we'll announce the candidate the moment the government notified and announced the election. Normally that's a procedure of the party. But we're ready for it. Our people are on the ground and hopefully we should do well. Actually, the 67 applied, but one of them already withdrew, and maybe rather another one on the advice of withdrawing. So it's a 65. Out of 65, we have to declare. Yeah, party definitely will contact all seats. We don't have any alliance with any party.
So the party will go solo?
Alone, yeah.